Tell make you wine to the base, nah nah. Give me that thing where I go feel it, nah nah.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's wig review. This review is brought to you by Sam's Beauty, so thank you so much Sam's for sponsoring this video. Now let's jump right into this new synthetic wig. Alright you guys, hold up. Before we get started, before we go, I really want you guys to do one thing, and I think you already know what it is. Subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and turn on that post notification bell so you never miss a new video from me. With this review, this unit is from Equal. It is a green cap. It is a lace front wig, and she is called GAMILA. I have her in the color OP430. Oh, I really like the color. Straight off the bat, I like the color. One thing I'm noticing is that it is shorter in the back and longer on the sides. For all my OG JessTheDragoness watchers and viewers and subscribers, you guys already know my struggle when it comes to units that are longer on the sides. Scary. I don't know why I have this issue. It's like one day I'm going to get over it and I'm going to like units that are longer on the sides. But you know, some units I do actually like, even though they are long on the sides. Sometimes they surprise me and I can rock with them. But for the most part, units that are longer on the sides are just not my bag. It's just not my thing. We'll see. So let's get into the cap construction on this one. We do have two combs in the front, one right next to the side part and one on the side of the temple. The part is very short. It looks like maybe it's like 3 inches, if that. We do have a comb in the back and adjustable straps. We do have some filler hairs up here. It does feel like we have some thickness up here on the one side, but this side definitely doesn't have any. I like how this flow over here is happening. I think that's cute. I feel like this may be a little too long, but we'll see. But I definitely like the flow here. I think this one has potential. Let's see. I'm going to cut off the lace. We have a little bit of lace edge here. I'm going to cut off the excess lace and I will go ahead and pop this bad boy on. Oh, I forgot to say, if you're curious about this unit, I do have a review up on my channel. I'll leave a link either here or here. I never know where to point to you guys, but you know what happens. You'll see that little white card come up and you can click it to check out this video. But make sure you finish watching this review first. So I'm so sorry you guys, but I did lose the footage of me originally trying on this wig. So this is actually my second time trying on this wig, and this is like several hours later in the day. But I did want to re-record it so that you all could see me trying on this wig. But this is not my initial reaction. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a quick voiceover so you guys can check out the wig. The wig is really cute on. I was a little shocked at how short it was in the back. It's very short in the back. It's literally like a short haircut in the back. I thought it would be more like a bob, so that was a little surprising. And the hair color in the back is a little bit choppier than it is in the front, which was a little, you know, shocking too. But I actually really like this wig. So I was surprised at how much I like this wig, because I really tend to not like wigs that are longer on the sides than they are in the back. I actually really usually hate them, and this one I am in love with. I love the color, I love the cut, I love everything about it. I didn't change it. Well, I did. I actually flat ironed the front ends because they were curled a little too tightly under, more than my liking. So I just flat ironed those, and the wig is perfect. It's literally gorgeous. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Make sure you're subscribed, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.